The concept of photography has gone through a ton of changes over the years. Changes in both the design and performance have resulted in the making of several types of cameras that cater to individual preferences. However, there are a few cameras so unique that they can be easily identified as pioneers that shaped the photography industry as we see right now. In our video today, we're going to talk about those 15 cameras and how they shaped the whole industry. So without further ado, let's begin. The Canon EOS 5D revolutionized photography by introducing a full-frame sensor, 35mm sized, with 12.8 megapixels in a compact body, creating a new category of digital SLRs. Positioned between the EOS 20D and EOS 1D, it appealed to professionals seeking high quality in a lighter body. Its innovative design challenged traditional notions, setting a standard for performance and portability, ultimately shaping the industry's direction.
Are you struggling to explain your idea? Your audience is not getting what you're trying to say. An animated explainer video is a perfect solution for you. Explainer video simplifies any complex ideas through engaging animations, transitions, voiceovers, and meaningful scripts, which all together create a fun experience for any viewer. And here comes 10 Studio, a team of skilled professionals dedicated to creating engaging explainer videos. With over thousands completed projects, we have the expertise to create explainer videos that break down your message and connect with your audience. Get in touch with 10 Studio today.
The Olympus E1 made a significant impact on the photography industry as the first digital SLR designed with a lens mount and imaging system specifically for digital use. Pioneering the E system, it marked the inception of a comprehensive camera ecosystem. Featuring a 5-megapixel 4/3-inch CCD sensor, the E1 adhered to the 4/3 system standard, a collaboration between Kodak and Olympus to advance digital camera technology, shaping the landscape of removable lens digital SLRs and influencing subsequent camera systems. Back in 1999, the Nikon D1 revolutionized the photography industry, countering Kodak's professional SLR market dominance. As Nikon's inaugural in-house digital SLR, it reshaped pricing norms, offering comparable performance at a fraction of competitors' costs. With a 2.7-megapixel sensor surpassing the Kodak DCS620, the D1 facilitated larger prints and higher quality output. Featuring a 23.7mm by 16.7mm CCD, it set the stage for subsequent advancements, marking a crucial milestone in the evolution of digital cameras and challenging industry standards. The Minolta Maxum 7000, produced between 1985 and 1988, left an indelible mark on the photography industry as the first mass-produced 35mm SLR with in-body autofocus. Beating its Japanese and German rivals to market by over a year, it marked a significant leap forward in camera technology. The introduction of the Alpha bayonet mount further enhanced its innovation, replacing the earlier manual focus lens mount and setting new standards for autofocus capabilities in the industry. The Kodak Prototype, born in 1975, marked a watershed moment in photography. Steve Sassen's creation introduced the concept of filmless photography, laying the groundwork for digital imaging. This prototype was cobbled together from spare parts, used a CCD to capture images, and recorded them on a cassette tape. Although met with skepticism about TV screen viewing, its legacy is undeniable, pioneering the path toward the digital cameras we rely on today and fundamentally shaping the photography industry. The Polaroid Model 20 Swinger significantly influenced the photography industry by democratizing instant photography. Launched in 1965 at an affordable price of $19.95, it made instant photos accessible to the masses. Its simplicity and affordability contributed to immense popularity, with over 5 million units sold. Despite discontinuation in 1970, the Swinger's legacy endures, reflecting a pivotal moment in making photography more immediate and approachable for people worldwide, shaping the industry's trajectory. The Nikon F, introduced in 1959, revolutionized photography as Nikon's first SLR camera. combining advanced features in one body, sets new industry standards. Produced until 1973, its design elements persisted in subsequent Nikon SLRs, showcasing enduring influence. The F in Nikon F, derived from reflex, became a legacy in Nikon's top-line cameras, transcending into digital models. Specially adapted Nikon F cameras even ventured into space aboard the Skylab in the early 1970s, further solidifying its impact on photography and exploration. The Contax S, introduced in 1949 by VEB Zeiss Icon, shaped the photography industry as one of the earliest pentaprism SLRs. Despite post-war challenges, Wilhelm Winsenberg led the development of this innovative camera, featuring a fixed eye-level pentaprism finder, a cloth focal plane shutter, and the 42mm screw lens mount. Alongside other early pentaprism SLRs, it laid the foundation for SLR design for years to come, influencing subsequent models and even shaping the concept in high-end DSLRs in the digital era. The Kodak Exacta, on the other hand, was introduced in 1936 and revolutionized photography as the first 35mm single-lens reflex SLR camera in regular production. Ihagee Cameraworks Steenbergen GmbH's innovative design overcame challenges associated with miniature SLRs, laying the foundation for subsequent 35mm SLR cameras. Featuring a plano-convex magnifying glass for focusing and collaborations with Carl Zeiss Jena and Schneider Kreuznach for fast lenses, the Kodak Exacta set a precedent for the industry, influencing the development of 35mm SLRs for decades to come. The Leica Model A, commercially available in 1925, was the inaugural Leica 35mm camera designed by Oscar Barnack. This revolutionary camera, exemplified by the Leica 1A, popularized 35mm film photography. Introduced with a fixed lens and focal plane shutter, its success laid the groundwork for subsequent Leica film cameras, influencing the industry for the next 3 decades. The Leica 1A remains a historic milestone, shaping the evolution of cameras and photography worldwide. The Kodak Vest pocket camera, produced from 1912 to 1935, was groundbreaking, introducing the use of smaller 127 film reels. As the first cameras to utilize this format, they set a new standard, contributing to the popularity and accessibility of photography. The Vest Pocket series, including premium Hawkeye models, played a pivotal role in shaping the industry, making photography more portable and widely accessible during its era, marking a significant chapter in the evolution of consumer cameras. The Graflex Speed Graphic camera, produced from 1912 to 1973, was a transformative press camera that shaped photography. Renowned for durability and flexibility, it became a staple for press photographers. The 1947 pacemaker Speed Graphic marked a significant evolution. Despite technological advancements, its production span showcased enduring relevance. This iconic camera influenced journalistic photography, contributing to its enduring legacy and influencing subsequent camera designs. The original Kodak camera, introduced by George Eastman in 1888, revolutionized photography by making it accessible to the masses. Unlike its predecessors, it featured a 100 exposure roll of flexible film, allowing users to capture everyday moments easily. Priced at $25, it included a leather carrying case and initiated a new era of informal, personal, and fun photography. The circular snapshots taken with Kodak defined a distinctive style and marked a democratizing shift in the photography industry, shaping its future direction. The daguerre-giroux camera, known as the daguerre-type, is a pivotal piece in photographic history. Produced in 1839, it was the first commercially available camera designed for the daguerre-type technique, the earliest photographic process. Acquired by Spanish engraver Ramon Albarn, it captured the first photograph in Spain on November 10, 1839. Its restoration by the Real Academia de las Ciencias y les Arts de Barcelona preserves a significant milestone, shedding light on the origins of photography and shaping the industry's early trajectory. And finally, where it all began, the camera obscura. Dating back to ancient times, the camera obscura shaped the photography industry by laying the foundation for image projection. Nicephore Nicepe's experiments in the early 19th century led to the preservation of camera obscura images using bitumen-coated plates, culminating in the first photograph, View from the Window at Leica, in 1826 or 1827. Nicepe's innovations marked a crucial step toward modern photography, influencing subsequent developments and establishing the camera obscura as a pivotal precursor to the photographic technology. So those were 15 cameras that shaped the photography industry as we know it today. Which one of these cameras grabbed your attention the most? Do let us know, as we'd love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.